what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be doing a quick little review on these awesome Rhino ramps. I've got two of them here. If you want to check out these awesome Rhino ramps, just check out the links down in the description below. But these are awesome because it allows you to drive your vehicle up on the ramp and give you some nice clearance, so you don't have to use something like this jack right here. So you can just drive it up. I do recommend that you get some jack stands to mount to the chassis to make sure that you have a fail-safe just in case something happens or collapses. Nothing will fall down on you, so safety's first. So I get roughly about 16 inches clearance or less, 16 the most. And as I go further back that way, I get maybe about 14 inches clearance. But it's enough for me whenever I lay down. I have plenty of room to work. And then basically these Rhino ramps, each one of these gives you 2,000 pounds of capacity to hold. So both of these combined as a pair, you get 4,000 pounds that you can put on these ramps, but 2,000 each. And as you can see here, it has this lip and this track textured surface here. And you also have handles here so you can carry them. Handles here as well. The width of this is around 10 3/4, almost 11 inches. The length of it is about 35 inches. And then let's do the height. So the height is about 7 inches. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive the vehicle back down off the ramp so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so here's where I have the ramps, and I will show you over here in the light. So this is what the bottom looks like here. And like I said, it has this rubber piece that you can take out, but it acts like a little cushion and creates some resistance so that the actual unit doesn't slide around all over the place. So you can just push that back down inside there just like that. But there's handles here on the left and right hand side, and this side, and on the back part too. And this is what it looks like from the top view. So here's the side with all the specs on it. And again, if you want more information on this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you so you can read more about it and you can find out exactly where I bought mine from. But on here, you can see here, it says 2,000 pounds for each ramp or 4,000 pounds as a pair. So I'm about to drive this vehicle on the ramp without having this ledge here as the support to prevent it from sliding back and forth. So all I did was take the ramps, shove it underneath the wheels, close as I can get, because I'm doing this by myself. And then we'll see if it slides around. So as you can see there, it worked out fine. It did kind of slide slightly. This is what it looks like on this corner here. Front, inside, this side, and this side. So I really like this setup because it's really easy just to drive your vehicle up the ramp. You don't have to worry about pumping this thing up. I'll use this every once in a while if I'm working on an individual side of the vehicle, like the driver's side or passenger side or even the rear. But if I'm looking to do an oil change, I'm trying to work on the front end, especially doing an oil change, it just gets the job done. So I highly recommend this awesome Rhino ramp system. If you want to check it out again, just check out the links down in the description below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.